Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up make.com scenarios for workflow automation at scale, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a free account on make.com if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. Select the first app you want to connect from the list presented. Once selected, you'll see various modules related to that app. Drag and drop your desired module onto the canvas. Configure the chosen module by clicking on it. Fill in the necessary fields according to your automation needs. Next, click on the small plus icon to add another module. Search for the next app you wish to integrate. After selecting the app, choose the relevant module from it. Connect the two modules by dragging the line from one to the other. Set up the details of the second module similar to the first. Repeat the process to add additional modules as needed. Use filters and conditional logic to refine when actions should occur. Save your scenario by clicking the Save button at the top right corner. Test your scenario by selecting the Run Once option. Check the results in the execution history to ensure everything works as intended. If adjustments are needed, edit the relevant modules accordingly. Once satisfied, activate the scenario by clicking the On/Off toggle. Monitor its performance through the dashboard. Optionally, set up notifications for errors or successful runs if required. Regularly review and optimize your scenarios for efficiency and effectiveness. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.